Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by powering the Xm5 and preparing your Samsung phone. Make sure the headphones have juice. Low battery can block pairing. On the phone, open Settings, tap Connections, then Bluetooth so the list can refresh. Next, press and hold the Xm5 Power/NC button for about 5 to 7 seconds until the LED flashes or you hear the spoken pairing prompt. This puts the headphones into pairing mode so the phone can detect them. Once the Xm5 is discoverable, look in the phone's available devices and tap the Sony entry. You may see a slightly different model name, but tap what appears. When prompted, confirm pairing and allow any permission requests so media and call audio can route. After pairing, open the paired device settings and make sure both media audio and call audio are enabled. If you want higher quality sound, make a note to check codec settings next. Some Samsung models will choose a better codec automatically. You finish by testing playback and adjusting noise control. Play a track and switch ANC or ambient modes until it sounds right. Install the Sony Headphones Connect app to update firmware, codec, and access extra features. Updates fix many bugs. If the connection never completes, try one troubleshooting step. Reset the Xm5, hold power and custom buttons per manual, and forget the device on the phone or clear Bluetooth cache in Android settings. Then repeat pairing, and it should work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.